guys, it's finally this time of the week where I take in everything sour and I do my self-tan routine. I've been using self-tanners for like years and years now. I don't even remember when I started. I think it was like 8 or 9 years ago. Like a long time ago. Self-tanning for me is like wearing clothes. If I don't have it on, I feel naked. Ever since I started self-tanning, I have stopped sunbathing, and we all know that sunbathing is really bad for our skin. Honestly, using self-tanners has several important benefits. Number one, and the most important for me, no risk of skin cancer, guys. Sunbathing exposes your skin to UV radiation, which is a major cause of skin cancer, but self-tanners don't involve UV exposure, so no risk of cancer. Also, guys, UV rays break down collagen and elastin. So that means wrinkles and age spots. Who wants that? Self-tanners help you maintain a youthful appearance, I would say, without damaging your skin. Another reason to start self-tanning is that you can control the color and you can get an even color. Because in order to get like a deep tan, you need to expose your skin a lot to the sun. You have to wait for like days and days. And also not everyone can get a deep tan. And I think that it depends on your melanin or something. I don't even know if this is how we call it. But yeah, with self-tanners, you can achieve an even color and immediate results within a few hours. So as you can tell, today I'm filming my flawless self-tan routine at home, and I'm gonna share with you everything that I've learned throughout all these years, my secrets, the products that I like, and how I do it. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so in order to achieve a flawless tan, we need to do like a mini preparation before the application. We don't want any dry or flaky skin. We want our skin to look and feel like a baby's bum. So we need to exfoliate and we need to sieve our body. For the exfoliation, I like to switch between these two. Sometimes I use this exfoliating mitt and also have these exfoliating gloves. You can use anything you want. You can also use like a scrub or something. They also help a lot. And also this is the razor that I'm currently using to save my legs. This feeling after and everything sour. So I have one more tip for you. I would highly recommend to do this whole preparation at least 10 to 12 hours before the application to prevent your self-tanner from seeping into your pores. You know, after taking a shower, the pores are still open, so it's not a good time for you to apply self-tan. You could try and close the pores with some cold water, but what I've learned throughout all these years is to do the preparation at least 10 hours before the application. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see you tomorrow for the application. This biggest pimple right here, I don't know if you can see through the camera, but it's freaking here, is your reminder to wash your face straight after your workout, and especially if you go to the gym. Otherwise, this happens. Anyway guys, so now for the application, I'm gonna show you the products that I use. Throughout the years, I have used quite a few self-tanners, I would say, and now I have 3 products that are my favorite, and I'm switching between these 3. So today I'm gonna use one of them. I'm gonna use this one. I have finished more than 15-20 bottles of this product right here, and I'm also running out of it, and I've already bought another one. This is one of my favorites. One of the reasons that I like this product is because all the ingredients are very natural, so it's very safe for your skin. Also, it's very lightweight. You don't even feel it on your skin when you have it on. And also it dries very quickly and it's not sticky. Very, very important. Also, it has a really nice smell. It doesn't smell like self-tan or anything unpleasant. And these things are very important because you will have this product on your skin for like 8 to 10 hours until the color is fully developed. So we need to make sure that we feel nice and we smell nice. Also, another very important thing about this product is that it doesn't dry your skin. It is very hydrating and also gives you a very nice and natural color. The results are amazing. I get so many compliments about my skin all the time. People think that I have a natural tan, and when I tell them that it's self-tan, they don't even believe me. And also I want to show you the product that I use on my face. This is my only product, my favorite, my ride or die. I haven't found anything that will top this one. This is also enriched with natural ingredients and it's suitable for all skin types. And also the most important thing, it won't break you out. And this comes from a person who has a very sensitive skin, and I'm very careful with the products and the ingredients that I put on my face. I highly recommend this product, honestly. Okay y'all, it's finally time for the application. I always start from my face because I apply the face sun with my hands and I want my hands to be clean. So I like to mix my face tan with my moisturizing cream. First, I will apply a little bit of my moisturizing cream. You need to make sure that your skin is not dry, so try to hydrate it as much as you can. You can also do your skincare routine and apply the face tan at the end. And like I said, I like to mix it with my moisturizing cream. So we'll put on top. I just mix them a little bit and try to take a little bit of the face tan and a little bit of my moisturizing cream, and I just go straight to my face. And here we need to be very, very, very careful. You can also use a mitt or a brush. I like to just use my hands. Also, many people ask me if it's safe to use a body tan on your face, and the answer is yes, it is safe, but I personally like to use a face tan on my face because I have a very sensitive skin and literally anything could break me out. Alright, I'm done with the face. This is what it looks like. Alright, now let's move on our body. So before the application, we need to moisturize 5 certain areas on our body that tend to get dry because we don't want to end up with any patches. So you can use any body moisturizer you want, but I would suggest you to stay away from the fragrance ones. Just pick something more natural. This is my current favorite. So we're gonna use it on our elbows, next our wrists and our hands. And also we're gonna do our knees, our ankles, and our toes. For the application, you're gonna need a tanning mitt. You can find one of these literally anywhere. I usually do this naked, but just because I'm filming this video, I will keep the top for obvious reasons. I will start from here, from my chest, so I can show you how I do it and the color, what it looks like and everything. And then I will do the rest of my body off camera. So this is the color. So this is what it looks like. This is the color. Of course, this is not the final result. You can see the difference already. One tip here, I leave my hands and my toes for the end, and just with the excess of the meat, I go very, very lightly on them because they tend to get a bit darker than the rest of the body and they don't look really good. So you don't want to use a lot of product on your hands and on your toes. So guys, I will do the rest of my body off camera and I'll be right back. I am back and the color looks so dark. But this is not the final result. So when I finish with my body, I like to take a brush. This is a very old one. And I just go back to my hands and my toes. We want the color to look as natural as possible, so this is a very important tip. And the last thing I do is to take a baby wipe and I just clean my palms and between my fingers. This is what they look like. Once you're done with something comfy, baggy, loose clothes, you don't want anything tight. And we're gonna have to wait at least 10 hours until the color is fully developed, and then we're gonna wash it off. I personally like to apply my tan before I go to bed so I can let it marinate while I'm sleeping. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm gonna see you in the morning looking like a bronzed goddess. So guys, this is the color the next morning. I have already showered. It looks very dark and natural. I just love it so much. So now the key to keep this color and to have a very healthy glowy skin is to keep your skin hydrated. I personally like to moisturize my skin at least 2 times a day. So guys, that's all I have for today. This is my current self-tan routine at home. I will have all the products that I use in the description box down below. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. These things help me a lot. Just please help a girl out. You can also find me on Instagram and on TikTok. I post every single day on these platforms. So if you want to see more of me, then definitely follow me there. And I will hopefully see you to my next video.